We take this time to honor today's four-state hero, Sergeant Louis Bama, who served in the United States Army. He served from 1944 to 1946. During that time, he received 4 Bronze Stars. His hometown, Pittsburgh, Kansas. We are proud to salute Louis Bama, our four-state hero. Something kind of cool about Mr. Louis Bama. He and his twin brother Johnny are celebrating birthday number 95 today. Currently reside in Dunkirk, Kansas. That's pretty cool. Thank you for your service, Louis. And happy birthday, Johnny. Louis, hope you guys have a great day.
It's a marvelous family story. Those two were a part of Merrill's Marauders during World War II. And their late brother Joe, also a World War II veteran as well. Bama family they're amazing people, not only in Crawford County, not only in southeast Kansas, but for the entire 4 states. Johnny and Louie, you know we love you to death. Thank you for your service and a very happy birthday. Hope to see you soon, guys.
Hannah Stinnett, she is celebrating the big number 1. Look at that. That's a marvelous picture. Kisses for a quarter and she's covered in them. Oh, and a beautiful bow at that. Hannah, a very happy birthday to you in Iowa.
She should have a pile of money with her too. Looks like she's earned it. All right, happy birthday, Hannah. And a happy birthday to the Gotsey twins, celebrating number 5 this year. Looks like they're in their PJs with their guns drawn, with their safety goggles. I like to see that. Preston and Sawyer turning 5 years old.
Double trouble. I like that. Knox Albert. Whoa! Whoa! You did what? That fish is big as him.
Yeah, that's all he can do to hold that thing up. It's a big one.
Knox, wait a man, I wish I could have seen you fight that and bring that thing in, kiddo. That is tremendous. Tremendous. A happy birthday to our newest angler, Knox Albert in Yates Center.
All right. And we've got birthday wishes coming from Grandma and Grandpa to Serenity Jet. Serenity is 13 years old this year. Welcome to the teenage years in Carl Junction.
Let's run out to Mound Valley and wish Gage Winters a happy 15th. Looks like we got a little demo derby on our hands there. Happy birthday, Mr. Gage.
Well, we know we won't officially get his license till he's 16, so got a little bit of driving practice to do, it looks like. I'm just kidding there. Just kidding. Happy birthday, Gage. Rachel Muller turning 69 years old this year. Looking great there, Rachel, in Humboldt.
And Marva Holt, a happy 78th birthday. Looks like she's got somebody that follows her around quite a bit right there. Happy birthday to Marva in Columbus.
Her expression on her face. I don't know if she knows what to think about that. And
go ahead. You get David.
All right, David Volk. In Carterville, we save this page all for you. Happy birthday, David.
Joan Page there, David. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
You can't